So welcome back, crew, to the channel, and welcome back to another video. So hey, we're back here in the garage. We're actually working on the door panels of the 55 Chevy shop truck. Got old Bullseye here. Finally took her out. This evening we will be giving her a good old bath, man. I left her outside last night and all that dust and dirt and grime. I tell you, I don't show Bullseye enough, but it's been a good truck for me. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what we're working on today. Hey, and if I haven't told you guys lately, I'm back with another video. So this is what we're gonna be working on today. We're finally basically on the last stages of the 55, guys. We've been putting in a lot of work here in the garage. So today, with this video, we will be doing your own custom door panels, and I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. So don't go anywhere, guys. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. So first thing first, what you need to do is, you guys, I actually went on ahead and made my door panel, just my little template. You guys know I love these little glico fasteners. This here I'm ahead to do in 2 pieces because the aluminum that I use is not long enough to cover the whole sheet, so I just do it in 2 pieces. I put me some tape here, this tape, I'll put it across there. And you know, you got to get your bends here, properly bends. All right. And we will glico these down as well. And I'm gonna try to do something different. Normally I use the little pins that go in the back, but I actually went to the junkyard and I actually got these little fasteners here. And I'm gonna try these here, try a little something different. I'm gonna try these little fasteners. They go in the back of the panel. You punch a hole, they go in the back of that panel, and we're gonna see how that works. All right, so let's go ahead and tie these panels here together and stuff, and let's get started. Alright, so you see I got my bolts coming from underneath, getting sturdy. So now what I normally do is I'm going to try to come up with a little design. I'll try to draw it out and figure it out. I do it on a separate piece of paper first, and then I just draw out the design that I think I may want on this template. And then I'll start cutting my pieces out, and I have to come above. This is the highest screw that I have over here. So I need to find another screw that's a little flatter, and we'll put that in there. But we have to build this panel up over the highest screw, okay? Alright, so this is the little design I just came up with. This is my weakest part of trying to, you know, come up with creativity, because I'm not that experienced in these door panels as far as wrapping them and everything. So for me, the simplest, little design is better right now until I get more experience with these. But basically what I did was I drew my line here, and that's gonna be my design, and then I'm gonna do another line here straight across. So I will actually raise this panel up, and then I take my Landau foam and I will raise it up in the center. I put a piece of Landau foam in the center, and that way it'll be like raised, and it'll also be cushioned around my edges and also around my hinge, my door opener. So that's the design I'm gonna go with. I think that's the most simplest that I'm not trying to go all complicated, because I tried to do that with the panel truck and it was a lot of wrapping involved, a lot of detail stuff, and I just quite haven't got there yet. So I think this panel, I want to make it simple and neat. So this is what we're going to go with. So now what we need to do is go ahead, and first I need to get 2 new screws, and then we're going to get the Landau foam and we're going to lay it out, and we're going to go ahead and glue it on there. So I actually forgot to put my fasteners into my panel before I put the little board on there. So I just drill the top of it and I put these in there. Alright, this is where we're at with the panel. So as of right now, I went on ahead and I built it up so I could get over my door handle here. I will actually shave this down so it'll be smooth. I put my little notches in there for my door opener, my door handle here, and I also laid this Landau foam here. I'm trying to think of a design to go up in here, but basically this is a step down, and then I put some Landau foam here all the way here. Like I said, I don't want to make it too busy, so that's where we're at. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the piece, Landau foam from here to here, guys. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so basically this is the little pattern that I got going on. It's not too much, not too crazy, but it's gonna look good once I put that vinyl over top of it. And like I said, I'll smooth all that stuff down with my sandpaper. All right, so I'm not happy. I may have to take this back up. I got 2 creases in it, and I don't know if I can live with that. Man, I was so close, and that's not gonna come out because as soon as it sticks. So I'm not sure what I need to do with that. I may have to do this panel over. All right, but we're gonna go ahead and move on. So that's the back side. Then back side is always the easiest. So I will turn it back around, I flip it over. I just trim up the little edges a little bit better, and then we'll see how it should look. All right, guys, that's the design. I'm telling you, man, if it wasn't for that one spot there and there, man, those two spots, my door panel would have came out like I envisioned it. So unfortunately, I may have to do this panel over. Of course, you know my door handles go here, but I may have to do this panel over, man. If I have enough material, I would definitely do this over. It won't take me about, maybe an hour or so to do it. So hey, you learn. You got some good ones, you have some bad ones. This isn't my best work with a simple design, but it's whenever I was going around this curve here, I let my material catch and I didn't feel it. So yep, that's stuff that we learn. You cut this compressor off. All right, I'm back, guys. I had to show you the driver's side panel. This is what this panel's supposed to look like. I tell you what, this panel turned out really good, and I got some bad news. I gotta order more material, because if I do that other panel over, I'm not gonna have enough material. But I'm ecstatic, man. Like I said, I knew I could do it. This is awesome. I'm so happy that this one turned out really good. I took my time. All right, I wanted to show you guys the finished product with the door panel on. Everything that I made as far as my door handle, that turned out really well. Here, get a little close up. Basically got a 2x4, trimmed out my design that I wanted. And then I also wrapped it and put a little chrome strip here. So the door panel turned out good. I also wrapped my beauty rings around the windowsill too. All right, there it is, start to finish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. Help the channel out so we can grow. So like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.